Hi guys, good afternoon. Nearly 1 p.m. Here in London, and the S&P, the Nasdaq, and the Dow are flying. The S&P now trading 3,500, having been down at 32. Nearly 32.23 to 32.50 to begin the week. Strong push higher. And we are importantly at the moment above that 34.61, which offered some resistance back on the 23rd of October, not that long ago, but it's been on a bit of a journey. Worth keeping an eye on the potential for there to be a trend line just a bit above from where we're trading, would also coincide, well, just a bit above the high that we've got now, which was also the 16th of October high. But yeah, solid push. 3,400 didn't offer much resistance yesterday, although of course if we go to a 15-minute chart, it was relatively choppy yesterday. It's not beat around the bush. We went higher, lower. That 33.35 acted so well as a support point. 3,400 did eventually offer a good level to get in post cash open yesterday, but we have been drifting higher quite nicely today. The Nasdaq, similar sort of trend line potentially to come in play. So for all those equity markets, just keep an eye on that. It's not far away from being hit, shall we say, the all-time high to the high that we had then in October. But the Nasdaq, obviously a couple of great days, really pushing higher. Should we get a bit of a pullback, worth keeping an eye. Let me just remove that on any of the. Well, you can see we've already had the pullback there. 11,777 was a solid level recently for a double top, and it's acted as a good point to have got short earlier today. So yeah, good picture so far for US equities and the Dow there. You can see, albeit lagging behind a touch, but worth just keeping a close look on that high from yesterday as we go into the rest of the day. Euro made the highest it's been since 27th of October. That is a double top as we look. Other key levels, 119 to the upside, worth keeping a close watch on. It does look like those lows that we had on Monday, which were hit on election night for the Euro, have been a great place for people to have got long. I would just keep an eye around 118. For me, that's a good line in the sand now. I think the bulls will be happy to stay long as price stays back above there. If we are to see a drift lower, I think that's when you might start to see a bit of an unwind here as we go through. At the moment, the markets are in full risk-on mode, liking the fact that Biden is pretty much nailed on to win this. The pound, you can see, also being pushed higher, and that was that Monday low, like the Euro. Really solid level of support. For me, we can't really push higher unless we get above the 21st of October high, which is also the 4th of September low. So I'll be keeping a close watch on that. Dollar weakness has helped gold. Let's have a quick look over at gold, which you can see is pushing higher and is also trying to confirm this break that we had on this trend line. So I'll be keeping a close watch on any retests of that over the coming days. But again, support found on the sort of end of last week, beginning of this week, and we're now trying to push on. Can gold now start to push towards that high that we have had back on the 7th of August? A lot of targets in mind before that. 1940 looks very key before the highs from the 16th, the 1st, and the 18th of August as well. Hope you guys are all well and enjoying the long week. We've got the Fed tonight and also non-farm payrolls tomorrow.